In this tutorial, we will create a mind map to generate ideas for a creative project. Mind mapping is a great way to capture thoughts and to come up with associations. There are no rules in this exercise, just create something that makes sense to you. To get started, grab a pen and a sheet of paper. Lay the paper down horizontally. Place your topic at the center of the page. Make sure to write small on the page. You will likely fill the page by the end of the exercise. What does this main word make you think of? Create branches and write word associations or subtopics from your main topic. Then you can create branches from your subtopics. The word associations can be anything: physical things, feelings, audience, individual words, concepts. Don't censor your ideas at all at this stage. Write down every word that pops into your head. You might make connections you didn't expect. When you run out of ideas, just go back to your original central word and try to generate more subtopics. When you are finished, take a few minutes to analyze your mind map. Read your map in a clockwise manner, starting at 12 o'clock. Put a star next to or highlight important words that could be used in your project. Some questions to ask yourself. What parts strike you as most important? What words could become visuals? You can sketch a small icon next to the word if you'd like. Are there unexpected associations? For example, my mind map has the words watercolor and phone. What would a screen painted in watercolors look like? Or a phone with watercolors on the screen? And that's how you make a mind map. Follow Crye Studio for more graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.